Most gurus will tell you to start a meditation channel and make $1 million a year by simply re-uploading and downloading videos from the internet. Now here's why that is probably not the right idea. So my name is Youri, I make over $30,000 a month with YouTube automation, and back in the day, I was ready to start my meditation channel. I'm not lying, I wanted to do it. I saw all these people claiming to make crazy money with it. I was like, sure, I would like to see some money. So I wanted to start a meditation channel. But as soon as I started doing research, I ran into some interesting things. Now to make sure that we understand each other, let's take a look at meditation channels and what we mean by them. So this right there is called meditation and healing. Now this channel right there is doing live streams as well as normal videos that they simply put out after the live stream. Now what we can see is that they've got 1.5 million subscribers and they've got 300 million views. Now this channel might be making money. I'm not sure, I don't know the owners. However, if you're gonna do this right now, I promise you, you're gonna be off to a bad start. And here's why. First of all, it's very hard to stand out with videos like this, because if we take a look at these videos or even these live streams, what exactly are they doing? Not much, right? It's not like it's engaging or this and that. The reason for that is because of the nature of these videos. People watch this to simply listen and meditate, or listen and fall asleep, anything like that. This is not designed to be some revolutionary content that is highly engaging for you to watch. It's none of that. It is simply a picture or an animation or a video at most that will simply have an audio track under it so that you can meditate. And that's pretty much the entire concept of this channel. So reason number one, it's very hard to stand out. This channel right there is even bigger. They've got 6 million subscribers. They've got over 2.3 billion views in total and have been getting millions and millions of views in the last few years. And then finally, we've got this channel, Spiritual Awakening Meditation. Once again, if we take a look at the channel, they're uploading meditation videos, nothing really that stands out, yet they had 28 million views in just this year alone. Now because it's hard to stand out from the crowd, it will also be hard to grow quickly. And if you don't have a crazy high budget, that means that you would have to upload a ton of videos to finally see some traction. However, I don't really consider that as a problem most of the time. If there are a lot of channels already, that could mean that there's a lot of interest too, which is a good thing. However, with the meditation niche, that is not the case, mainly for monetization issues. So with the YouTube Partner Program, you can put ads on your videos and you can make money from that. However, with these meditation channels, most of the newer ones are not getting accepted, and here's why. With any partner program, you've got a lot of policies. Now one of which is that you cannot use reused content. So if you simply download clips and post them over and over again, that is not gonna get monetized. And that is mainly what's happening. And by the way, I'm about to reveal this Reddit post that says it all. But before that, this is what people do. They go to websites like Pixabay and Pexels and they simply download pictures. So what they'll do, they'll type in meditation, just like that, and they'll grab any random picture from here. For example, they'll go with this one and they'll simply download this and use it as the background in the videos, just like you can see right here. Sounds good, right? However, there's one main problem. Anyone could go to this website and download that picture to then use it in the video. Anyone could download that audio track and put it under this video. Now because a lot of gurus are talking about this meditation channel viral thing, a lot of people will try this and they'll end up making the exact same video or very similar videos. Now because of that alone, you'll end up with dozens and dozens of replicated videos on YouTube, which they don't monetize. But even if you do this originally, you're not adding any value to the content because you're simply downloading a picture and downloading music. That's your video. That is not going to get monetized. Basically said, you're not complying with the YouTube policy. Here's how you could potentially succeed. If you make the videos yourself and you make them originally, so you film them yourself and the audio is also originally made by you, you do have the chance to get monetized and continue to make money with your videos. However, in my opinion, it's not something that you should aspire to do because it's very easy for YouTube to look at your channel and just think that you fall under that same category of people that reuse content and simply download and post the videos. Now, especially if you outsource the content, it makes it even more unsafe because these freelancers don't care as much. They'll simply take some random clip and then slap some random soundtrack under that and they've got the video done. they'll get paid, but then you've got a video that is simply retaken from other people. Now, if you don't believe my word for that, let's take a look at this Reddit post, which is already from years ago. However, it's more relevant than ever and also tells you that this stopped working a long time ago. But here's why. On Wednesday, the 12th of December, I got a mail from YouTube saying they were removing the channel monetization. From now on, the channel will no longer bring in a single penny. The main reason, the channel has been flagged for content duplication or reused content. It only means that the content of my channels has some similarities with the content of other channels or is completely the same. From what I see in her, it's happening to a lot of music channels and other synthwave channels. So that guy went from making money with his YouTube channel to making nothing at all because he got demonetized because he was doing a meditation channel. So here's what you should take from this, and this is really important. Don't download a simple picture and put some music under it and expect to get monetized. Or even if you do get monetized, understand that it's not going to be safe. In my opinion, you only want to build channels that are safe in the long term so that you can build a sustainable business. And even though you make the videos yourself and the audio yourself, understand you'll still be acting in a gray area because YouTube cannot tell the difference between you simply downloading that somewhere or creating it yourself. Most of the gurus that post about this simply want to get views and make money themselves. So they'll simply put up a clip on TikTok, acting as if they know how to make $1 million with rain videos, and the result is you and me and others starting a channel and getting demonetized because they upload rain videos. So please don't be one of them. Instead, watch this video right there to find out niches that actually work and that you can actually make money with.